In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSeek R1 on Perplexity. By the end, you'll have DeepSeek R1 enabled and be ready to start asking advanced questions with it right inside Perplexity. First, open your Perplexity account. You can do this in a browser or the Perplexity app. Just sign in so you land on your home screen with the search or chat box visible. If you're brand new, make sure you've already created an account and can access your dashboard normally. Before you go any further, confirm that your account is on the Pro plan. DeepSeek R1 is not available on free accounts. On your account page, you should see your current plan status clearly labeled. If you're not on Pro, you won't see the R1 option and won't be able to proceed. If you're on Pro, you're good to go. Now, while signed in, click the Account or Accounts button. This is typically found in the upper right corner under your profile or settings menu. Inside your account settings, look for the section where models and features are managed. Here, you should see DeepSeek R1 listed as an option. Simply toggle it on. When you switch it on, Perplexity enables access to that model for your sessions. Give it a moment if the change needs to apply. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for the interface to reflect the new setting. Once DeepSeek R1 is toggled on, go back to the home screen. In most cases, you'll see an indicator near the prompt area or within the model selector showing that R1 is now active. From here, you can start entering your query as you normally would. For best results, be specific about your goal. Briefly state what you want, add any important context or constraints, and mention the desired format for the answer if you have one. DeepSeek R1 performs especially well with reasoning-heavy tasks, so don't hesitate to include multi-step instructions in a single prompt. If the first response isn't quite what you wanted, ask a focused follow-up, clarify your intent, supply missing details, or request a different style. If you've followed these steps and don't see the toggle, double-check that you're signed into the correct Pro account and that your app or browser session is up to date. Availability can change, so you may need to try again a little later. That's it. Open your Perplexity account, make sure you're on Pro, toggle on DeepSeek R1 from the Accounts area, return to Home, and start typing your query. Enjoy exploring what R1 can do for your research, brainstorming, and problem-solving.